This is a geoduck. It looks like a penis, but it's a shellfish. It is the largest burrowing clam in the world, and it also is one of the longest living animals of any type. It is native to the northwest coast of North America, and since we were in Seattle for a weekend, we had to try it.
So I'm blanching the geoduck in hot water and then going to chalk it real quick in some ice water to stop the cooking real quick. The only cooking that we did was just so we could peel off the outer skin. We have the siphon, the belly, and the inner organs. You're gonna eat the siphon and the belly. We serve it sashimi style. It's just thin, raw slices of both the belly and the siphon. Our geoduck, a little bit of salt, our lemon zest, followed by our shiso oil, our red pepper curls, and our radish sprouts.
All right, let's see. I read online that it tastes like cucumber, and it kind of really does. In comparison with clams and oysters, I like this consistency better because it's not like mucus. I think this would be really good if it was breaded and deep fried, kind of like calamari. Now that would be my shit. Because calamari kind of has the same consistency. That's what would make it for me.
I'm afraid of most seafood, but I'm gonna face my fears today. Whoa. The coldness took me by surprise. It's like very cold. It's just like a really tender sushi. Almost melts in your mouth. And it's fishy, but it's not overwhelming. This is pretty good food. It tastes a lot less weird than it looks. All right, Quillini, you're up.
Let's try something new. I'm not gonna lie, the body of the shellfish is sort of imposing. It kind of looks like the downstairs part of a man, if you know what I'm saying. But in these thin little slices, it's a very sexy fish. Ugh, I had a really hard time. I don't want to make it seem gross because it tastes really good, but the way that it felt in my mouth, if you're someone who eats based on texture, it might not be what you're into.
It's pretty tasty.
It is. I feel like, yeah, the taste-wise, it was really good. Just texture for me, it wasn't the bag. But I totally agree. Like, if you're gonna come here, you should try everything at least once to figure out if it's for you.
Oh yeah.